It's something most of us take for granted, water pouring from a faucet. But the reality is staggering. 2.6 billion people struggle to find clean water in toilets. A child dies from dirty water every 20 seconds.
What if I were to tell you that the solution to one of the biggest health issues on the planet right now was literally under our noses and above our heads? Would you believe me?
Whenever someone first came to talk to us about it, I was a bit skeptical.
Because it is very simple. There are no outside fancy technology used.
It uses a resource that we all have free access to.
I saw the science was very robust, but changing people's behavior is not so easy.
And I thought, how could this be? A plastic bottle, tainted water, sun going into it, changing it into drinkable water. Why doesn't the world know about this, is what I thought.
Collect water in PET bottles, put it on a Sodius rack, which is just a table out in the sun.
The UV light will penetrate the cell membrane and break it. That choked up organism has no capacity of causing disease anymore.
It does take, a day, but that's nothing in the grand scheme of things. They just shelve it for a day and come back and drink it the next day.
And it's so simple, people find it very hard to believe.
It's simply training people how to put contaminated water in a bottle, leave it in the sun for a day, and then consume it.
So we made tables that looked a bit official and scientific, and then they believed it a bit more.
Once people understand that,
they're empowered to be able to change the situation.
then it starts to catch on.
In just 5 years, the Water School has taught SOTUS to over 400,000 people.
My name is Sheila, not coming to school because of this diarrhea, cholera.
Now there is no absenteeism in class. Now everybody is well.
And we did give it a go, and we tried in a number of homes. And then, astonishingly then, after the project had been running for about 6 months, none of the homes had any diarrhea in their children.
Now when I look at my younger ones, they are very lively, happy.
And this was pretty much the hospital in this block behind us.
And as a result of this program, they didn't need that isolation ward anymore.
And they never lose that. You can't have that stolen or wear out or break. That community is always able to treat their water.
Even more importantly, communities are beginning to teach each other, and the SOTUS movement is spreading.
Everyone wants to know what's going on there.
If it's working well in one home, then it almost becomes out of control, and people themselves are telling others about it.
Now, anywhere we pass along the way, we say, are you coming to our homes? Are you coming?
People are hungry. They want to learn.
It's within reach of the poorest of the poor in the world. It can take care of the cholera and typhoid epidemic. This will be taken over by younger people. We're going to train, we're going to equip them from all over the world. People are joining the movement. We don't care if the Water School does all this stuff. We just care that it gets done.
Would you believe me if I told you a movement is happening right now? Find out more at waterschool.com/movement.
What we want is children who are happy, who are healthy, and what could we want more than that?